Euclid's division lemma. Dear students, let's try to understand what is Euclid's division lemma and why we need to study this Euclid's division lemma. So actually this Euclid's division lemma is the first topic of real numbers, that is the first chapter of class 10th mathematics. So this lemma actually helps us to find the HCF. Do you remember what is HCF? The full form of HCF is highest common factor. Okay, so this Euclid's division lemma will help us to find the HCF of any two numbers, okay, or three numbers also. Yes, so we'll try to understand this, what is this Euclid's division lemma and how this forms. Okay, so this is made up of three words: Euclid's division lemma. Now out of these three, the one thing which is very common to all of us is this, that is division. Now if I tell you that when we used to divide the number, okay, then at the end there was a process called verification. Through verification we used to just check whether the things are going perfect or there is some mistake. So do you remember what was that verification process? After doing all the division, we should get dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Make it a point, it is not remainder, it is a remainder, what is left over. Okay, so this used to be the verification of our division. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if we are multiplying the quotient with the divisor, and if suppose there is some remainder and we are adding that remainder, then we should get the dividend back. Is it very clear? This is to be called as the verification for division. Now this only thing will help us to understand this Euclid's division lemma. Now who is Euclid? If you remember, then we have learned something about Euclidean geometry in class 9th. Okay, so Euclid is a mathematician. Okay, so only word is left which is unknown to us, that is the lemma. What is this lemma then? Dear students, lemma is a proven statement which we use to prove some another statement. Means already proven some concept is there that we are using to prove some another statement, that is a lemma. Okay, so in our case, what is this lemma? Let's see. For our case, we will write dividend as sum A, divisor as sum B. Then for such two positive integers A and B, there must exist some Q and there must exist some R. If you have noticed, I have written them just below the known terms, that is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. So A is our dividend, B is our divisor, Q is our quotient and R is our remainder. I'll put the signs properly. So this A equals to B into Q plus R, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, is nothing but the Euclid's division lemma, which have some conditions. The conditions are this remainder R must lie between 0 and B. Must lie between 0 and B means R can be 0. R can be 0 or R will be greater than 0. But strictly R should be less than B. Is it very clear? Remainder will never be equal to or greater than B. B is the divisor in our case. So for any two positive integers a and b. Okay, any two positive integers a and b, if a and b are then two positive integers, then there exists integers q and r such that a equals to bq plus r. Okay, and r should lie between 0 and b. So actually this is our Euclid's division lemma. Okay, clear to all? Yes. So simply that verification formula you know, so the same we will be continuing. So a equals to b into q plus r. Now as I told you in the beginning that we are going to use this lemma to find the HCF of any two numbers. Okay, so before that we need to understand one more thing, and that is Euclid's division algorithm. Now what is this algorithm and how we got this word algorithm? Actually this algorithm is formed out of name of a person who designed algebra. His name was Muhammad ibn al-Musa al-Khwarizmi. So out of that al-Khwarizmi, this algorithm word has been formed. Okay, so what is this algorithm? If you love computers, then you might have heard this word algorithm there. So what we do when we repeat a particular step, okay, to reach the solution for any problem, okay, that is called as an algorithm. So why we are calling it Euclid's division algorithm? Because we are going to use this lemma, that is a equals to b into q plus r, again and again till we reach our solution.